Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up a new, how to set a rate plans weekly or monthly on booking.com. So first of all, just go ahead right here to the setting up a new rate plan, and you're going to be able to see right here an instructions to how to set up a new rate plan. Now, a rate plan describes a combination of different factors that make up booking. These include cancellation policies, prices, number of days between booking and check-in, and length of stay, room or unit type, and meals if they are available. Adding the rate plan can help establish a strong foundation for your business, helping you attract a variety of guests with the different needs and preferences. So basically right here, if you want to understand how you can do it, you can log into the extranet and then click rates and availability and select rates plan, and then click add new rate plan, and then choose the type of plan that you want to add, and then click add rate plan, and then on the next page set up the details of your rate plan, and then click review, and then activate the rate plan. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.